Have you seen people posting about Wordle on social media with seemingly cryptic strings of gray, yellow, and green emoji squares and wondered what it was all about? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll explain what Wordle is and how to play this viral word guessing game. Now let's get started. Wordle is a daily word guessing logic puzzle game. You can play it on nearly any device with a web browser, such as your smartphone, laptop, or tablet. You get 6 attempts to guess the 5-letter word of the day. After each guess you submit, the game will tell you if you guessed any of the letters correctly. If you get a green letter, that means the letter is in the word and placed in the correct spot. If you get a yellow letter, that letter is in the word, but you've placed it in the wrong spot. Any grayed out letters are not in the word at all, so you can safely leave them out of any subsequent guesses. Everyone playing the daily Wordle gets the same word, so try not to spoil it for anyone by sharing what the answer was. To play the daily Wordle game, go to powerlanguage.co.uk/Wordle in your web browser of choice. Then use the on-screen keyboard to click the letters you want to use to spell out your first guess. Some people like to use the same word as their first guess every time. For myself, I like to use the word adieu, as it lets me see if A, E, I, or U are in the word right away. Once you've typed in your first guess, hit the Enter button on the keyboard to submit your guess. The letters in your guess will change color based on whether they're in the word or not, and whether they're placed in the correct spot. Continue guessing by typing in what you think the word might be and entering your guess to see if you're right. Make sure not to use any of the dark gray letters in your following guesses, as those letters are not contained in the word. Also, it is possible for a letter to be in the word more than once. Once you solve the Wordle, you can share your stats to show your friends on social media how the daily puzzle went for you today. Click the share button to share your results in a post on Facebook, Twitter, etc. Your results will be represented by emojis based on the color of the submitted letters in each of your guesses. This is a very fun and challenging daily puzzle game. Come back to Wordle each day for a new puzzle. That does it for our tutorial on how to play Wordle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.